Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all. As you all know, Navratris are coming in India and it's a very auspicious occasion. So I just made this Ganesha. I wanted to show you this, but I didn't make a video of it. If you want to see one, I'll just comment below. I'll make one for you guys. So let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so you already saw the thumbnail, so you know that what I'm painting Devi Ma today, and this is Mahakali, but instead of giving her blue color, I ended up painting her in green, which I don't know if it's the right color, but I wanted to show that fierce look on her eyes. And I saw this painting on Pinterest also, so I tried to recreate that in my style. But I ended up taking a lot from that, so it's not my original. I saw this picture there on in Pinterest, and I tried to recreate this. So it took me a lot of time to draw the rough sketch of this painting, and after that I used a fine liners to make the final lines, and I used green here. But if you don't think that Mahakali should be green, I think you better stick with blue color, or even you can go with black as well. But I don't know why I chose this color. I still think it should be brown, but it's okay. I think she won't mind. Okay, so let's see how the painting will look in the end. So stick with me guys, and please watch the full video.